Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can register your course on Udemy and come up with a course outline. You already know that you can sign up on Udemy for free, so you can go sign up as a tutor on the platform. Then when you are done, you will come to your instructor dashboard and you will see something like create new course. Now the reason you are seeing all these courses is because I already have courses on the platform, but as a new person you won't have anything here. What you will only see will be this one here. This is what you will see. No course will appear here. So when you come to your instructor dashboard, what you need to do to register your course is to click on new course. After you have done that, then you now move to course. We have these two options here: practice test and course. What you want to create is a course, so you go with course, then you click continue. This is where you now insert the course title. So what is the course title? I already have my sales skills training, practical tips for closing more sales. So this is the title for my course: sales skills training, practical tips for closing more sales. I want to include S here, but I'm already out of words, so I need to look for how I can do this. Let me use this one instead. Okay, so that I can complete the statement here. Says right. Great. All right, so I will click on continue. So I will choose the category. Now, what is the category for this kind of course title? You can get the category by looking at other people courses on that same particular topic. So before you choose a category, though you can change it anyway, you just have to pick a category. So since I'm talking about sales, the category will be either business or marketing, and I will go with marketing. Later I will check other top courses that has the same title as mine and see which category they are to know if I should stick with marketing or I should go with business. But for now, let me just go with marketing. If I will change it later, I will show you how you can also do that. So I will go with marketing. All right, and this will pop up. You don't need to do anything. This will always show. They are only telling you that the topic that you pick are also available for Udemy Business, but you don't need to bother yourself about that. All you need to do is to click continue. Now they're asking you how much time can you spend creating your course per week. Any answer you give, no one is wrong. You can see there is no wrong answer. So just pick the one you know that you have the time for. I normally go with I will work on this on the side 2 to 4 hours because I do it full time. If you are someone who is very busy, you can go with the first one, this one here. But I normally go with this because I have 2 to 4 hours to work on my course. So you click create course. So the course has been created. You can see the title is there: sales skills training. You can see 0 minutes of video content. Later we'll get to fix all this one, what will students learn in your course. So, and we'll do that later. Now you have already registered your course. If you go back, let's go back. You can see it here right now: sales skills training, practical tips. You can see it's a draft. It is not launched right now. You can see the rest. They have live here, but here it is draft. We have not done all that thing. Now the next thing you will do is to create a course outline for your course. Now you have gotten the course, you have registered it on Udemy. The next thing is to create a course outline, because it is from that course outline that you will create your course lesson. So the next place we go to is ChatGPT. Remember, I told you to go sign up on ChatGPT. It is free. They have the free and the paid plan. You can go with the free one. So let me go to ChatGPT. Here we are at ChatGPT. Let me open a fresh page. Okay, so here we are. What I will do is to copy and paste a prompt. I will read the prompts to you so that you can see it for yourself. This is the prompt that I use to always come up with course outline for any particular course title. Alright, so this is the prompt. This is what I will copy and paste on ChatGPT to come up with course outline for me. I want to create a course outline for this course title. This is the title there: sales skills training, practical tips for closing more sales. Could you help me develop a course outline for my course? My audience is salespeople who want to increase their sales number and standard in their organization. the course outline should be structured in a way that it provides them with practical tips and strategies to help them close more sales. So this is what I will copy and paste on ChatGPT to come up with a good course outline for my course. Okay, so let me copy it. Then I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Here we have it. Then I will hit this send button here. And let's see the course outline to create for us. Okay, so it has done everything and we have up to module 6. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, title: Sales Skills Training Practical Tips from Closing More Sales. This is an overview of the course, which we will use later. What we really want is the course outline. Now, lesson 1 says understanding your customer. So in the first lesson, we are going to teach our students how to understand their customer, and what we are going to cover in that particular lesson is identifying and segmenting your target audience, conducting effective customer research, and understanding their pain points. Then lesson 2, we talk about building rapport and trust. Lesson 3, we talk about mastering the sales process. Lesson 4, effective communication and negotiation. To lesson 5 to lesson 6. Now, we have a conclusion here. The course outline is designed to equip salespeople with practical skills and strategies they can immediately apply to increase their sales number and excel in the organization. Right now, this is AI, and you don't really need to depend on it. So I'm not really cool with this course outline. I feel it doesn't really meet my expectations. So another way you can modify your course outline is to go to Udemy and search for that particular title on Udemy. Then go to the bestsellers on that title and check their course outline. Then you modify it with the one ChatGPT gave to you. So the first thing I will do here is to copy this one and save it. What you can do to copy is to click on this copy button here. You can see I have done that. So I will paste it on my notepad. Okay, so let me paste it here. I'll call it course outline. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Let me go to my browser and I will go to Udemy website to search for the course. Okay, so the title of my course is Sales Skills Training. So I'm going to search for that particular title and see the courses that will pop up. I will check their own course outline and pick the ones that I like included in my own, so that my course can stand out among other people's course. So what I will do, let me search for that particular topic or title: Sales Skills Training. Let me just use that one. Let's not search. We have a lot of courses with that same title. Okay, here we can find them. So what I will do, I will open these ones on different tabs. Let me open this one in a new tab. Okay, Sales Skills Training Consultative Selling Master Class. Let me use desktop view so I can see everything very well. Alright, it's better like this. Sales Skills Training Consultative Sales Masterclass. Do I need that? Okay, no. This one says Sales Skills 9 Sales Training Courses. One now. Sales Skills Mastering. Okay, let me go with this one here. Opening a new tab. The Ultimate Sales Development. Okay, no. Alright, how to close more sales training. Okay. You will open as many tabs as you can, that you know that the title kind of like relate with your own title. Sales skills and negotiation skills. Let me go with this one. Okay, no. Sales training, master your sales pitch. Okay, let me just check out this one. Which one again? Let me see how many. Okay, will soon be true. Sales training, a month to improve your sales skills. Okay, let me check it. Then sales training, become a sales superstar. I think I like this one. Then we have sales training masterclass, smart tips for sales success. I will also go with that. Sales keys, the comprehensive sales. Okay. All right, so I think I have opened a lot. Let me go check out each of them one after the other. Let me check out this one. This one is even a bestseller. Okay, so what I will do is to go down to check his own course outline. All right, you can see what it says. If we open it, it talks about staying on the sales tightrope, prescribing, not selling. This one says what it says. It lesson 2 says building a sales relationship, diagnosing the sales. Let me check the one ChatGPT gave to me. For ChatGPT, it says understanding your customer. I am teaching people how to become a good sales person. Okay, understanding your customer. I don't need to teach them what it says. No, they already know what sales is. Closing sales. Okay, diagnosing the sales, prescribing the solution. These are the stages of selling. Okay, let me open finding out the needs. Okay, nothing really catches my interest, my attention here. These are just normal things that I know you should cover. Building a sales relationship. I think ChatGPT gave me that. Okay, module 2, building rapport and trust. Techniques for building rapport quickly. Okay, effective communication, closing techniques, and follow-up strategy. Let's check another course. Let's check this one out. One says section 1. What is selling exactly? Everybody is saying what it says, what it says, what it says. Okay, 6-step sales system, discovering. Okay, let's check another one. Let's see what this one says. Okay, this one says believe, selling results. All right, I think we might go with one ChatGPT gave to us. I just need to, include some stuff. Introduction to the sales. Okay, sales keys, course. Prepare the train driver, self-development for the sales consultant. I think I like this one. The mind of a consultant. Okay, the 3 pillars of success. I think I like this. Prepare the train. I think I like this part. I might include it as my first lesson. How to manage emotions, the SMART process. Wow. Okay. Getting ready for passengers, selling tickets. Let's see other sections. Negotiation station, how to negotiate successfully. ChatGPT gave us something on negotiation. Okay, let's check another one. You can see we are trying to go through other people's course outlines so we can come out with the best, because if you just create anything, you can't really stand that because other people already have that same particular course on that same title. So you just need to stand out among the competition. Okay, I don't think I like any of these. Nothing really stand out here. Alright, since 2018. I'm gonna close this tab. I might not come back to it again. Question everything. Let's see what it talked about. Open and close question. Okay, like how to use question to start a conversation. I think I like that one, so I might come back to that. Social selling. What is social selling? Different platform. Okay, how salespeople can use social media or online for selling. The gatekeeper. Yeah, there's always a gatekeeper in any company. So how to go through the gatekeeper. I think that's what it is all about. Who is the gatekeeper? How to get the gatekeeper on your side exactly. So I like that. Okay, so I just need to look for how I can fix it into any of my lessons. Okay, so Sometimes, like this one of the gatekeeper, it may not really be a lesson on its own. You can choose to include it as a sub lesson inside any of your lesson. You can just talk about, okay, let's talk about the gatekeeper. Who is the gatekeeper? You just insert it into any of the lessons. Let's check out this one. The guaranteed way to improve your sales technique. Why people buy and how to get them to buy from us. Wow, I think I love this title. I think I love it. Win-win sales techniques you need to know. Okay, I think I love this one. So I will edit it, but I won't do it in this particular video so that the video won't be too long. But I'm just showing you that before you go with what ChatGPT gives to you, you just need to make sure you have gone through other people's courses to see if yours is in line. Okay, smart tips for sales success. Let's check the last one. The basic of selling, the pre-sale, the 3 P's process. Okay, all right, this one is also good. So I'm not going to close any of this tab that I have here. I'm going to leave them, and later I will come back to organize my own course outline. So this is the one ChatGPT gave to us, and most times you may not really work with them. You just use them as an example. And most times, what I really do to make my course really big, I go to the reviews of all these courses. I check the bad review people are saying about it. So let's go to the one of 6%. Okay, there was no written review. Okay, we can't find really any bad reviews here. So most times you check the bad review where students are complaining. That is where you now put more effort so that they will say, okay, this course did what the other course instructor did not do. That way you get to win them to your side. There is none here. Let's check this one. Same here. Okay. Alright, these people didn't really have any bad review. So that is just it for this particular video. I have showed you how to come up with a course outline, and I showed you the script that I wrote. Let's go back to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to us, and this is the prompt that I wrote. So you can use the same prompt, just modify it, put your own topic there, the same script, just it, and ChatGPT will give you a course outline for your own course. In the next video, I will show you my new course outline, the modification and everything. I don't think I can do it because it will take a lot of time. But in this video, we have been able to register our course title on Udemy and also come up with a course outline. Next video, I will give you the modified course outline, and I will also show you how to do other things to get your course running on Udemy. If you are new to my channel, this is me teaching you how to create Udemy course using a smartphone. If you found this video interesting, subscribe right now so that you don't miss out on my next video.